Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you two simple and effective solutions for when your League of Legends game won't open or launch. This is a very easy process. The first and most common reason the game isn't launching is that a previous session didn't close properly, leaving a process running in the background. In order to fix that, simply right-click on your Start menu, then open Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager panel, go to the Processes tab right over here, and just simply find and close anything related to League of Legends, like League of Legends or Riot Client. Just simply find them and close them. Like this, for example, Riot Client. Just simply click on it and click on End Task. Again, click on this and click on End Task at the top. And if you see League of Legends over here, you should also close that task as well. So just find them and then close them. Once you've done that, try to restart your game and see if the issue is resolved or not. Now, if the first method doesn't work, the next step is to force the game and Riot Client to run with the correct permissions and compatibility settings. Now, this can resolve conflicts with Windows as well. Now, the process involves changing the settings for a few different files, so let me walk you through exactly what you have to do. First, we need to find the Riot Client's installation folder. So in your Windows search panel, search for Riot Client, then simply click on Open File Location. Now this should take you to a shortcut, so right-click on that shortcut and click on Open File Location. Now over here, you should be able to see the Riot Client Services file. Right-click on that, then click on Properties. Now in the Properties panel, click on Compatibility. Now over here, check two boxes, run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and then choose Windows 8. And after that, choose Run this program as an administrator, and then click on Apply, and click on OK. And once you've done that, you just need to go back one folder to the Riot Games folder. And right over here, you should be able to see your League of Legends game folder. Now, just simply go inside that folder, and you should be able to find another folder. And inside that folder, you should be able to find your League of Legends client. Do the same thing. Right-click on your League of Legends.exe, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and apply the same settings. Click on both of the options, choose Windows 8 over here, click on Apply, and OK. So that's it. You now know two simple but powerful solutions to fix the League of Legends not opening issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.